Make money with AI generated music videos. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you some ways that you can make money with AI generated music videos. So let's get into it. As you all know that AI technology has been getting too much advancement in these days, and there are a lot of people using that AI technology in a lot of different fields. So in music generation and music video generation is also a very great field with AI that you can create, and it is novel right now. That's why there are a lot of people that who want to get hands on these kind of services, so you can sell your music videos and you can make money with that idea. So let me tell you a couple of ways how you can do that. First of all, what I have for you is fiverr.com. As you all know that fiverr.com is a freelancing workspace where you can just go on and you can also sell your work, and you can also hire some people that who are going to work for you. So when you open Fiverr, you get a couple of niches that they specifically work in, and recently they have added a new niche which is AI services. So just go on and click on that, and you're going to see all the AI services that Fiverr is offering right now. You can also buy those services, and you can also get your hands on you can also sell your own services in that. So here you can see that. Okay, so here you can see that these are all the AI services. You have AI applications, artists, models, content creation, and AI music videos. So this is what we are interested in, and we are going to create AI music videos, and you can basically earn money from that. So let me show you a couple bit around the platform and the need for these kind of videos right in these days. So here you can see that AI music video generation, this is basically, these are all the people who are available right now who are generating this kind of content, and there are only 123 services available. So the key point of it is that if you go on and start generating AI music videos for people, you are only going to compete against 123 people, 123 services. But if you go into normal music video generation right now, so there are like thousands of people offering those kind of services. So the chances of you getting more work become a lot less as compared to having 123 competitors. And they're, I'm not saying that they're not great, but the work average right now is not too much, because there are a lot of people, it is a new field and there's a lot of people getting into it. So there are only a couple of people that are here and that can generate some really good stuff. So what you can do is basically you are just going to get yourself a really good portfolio, and other than that everything else is going to be done by AI. Let me show you, I will tell you how you can do that, but let me show you first of all a person who is rated 5 stars right now. I will make you a trippy music video. So let me open the service for you. Okay, so here you can see that this person is offering his AI music video services, and here you can see that he has added in pitch of the work, like the work that he is going to create for you guys. So I'm just going to open this video for you to show you guys how you can what kind of video this person has created, and if he can create something similar to that or not. Okay, so this is a music video that this person has created, and it is basically a zoom in music video that basically continues to zoom in until and the images have been changing as we go on, and as the video progresses and it is more zoomed in, it basically goes on and the images are changed. So this is the main concept of this video, and everything is generated through AI. So actually this is really good, like if you have some kind of song, if you have some kind of remix of a classic or something, then this video is going to be a really good match for that. So how you can generate something like that, when there are a couple of softwares that you can use. The first one is basically Dolly. Dolly is basically a platform of OpenAI, the one that already that has ChatGPT as well. So Dolly is also their, like you can say, sister platform that is hosted on OpenAI. It is a really great platform that is going to create a lot of beautiful images for you when you continue to when you ask it to make, like for example, if I want Dolly to create a mystic forest for me with an owl or with a bear or something like that, I'm just going to enter my query into this, and Dolly is going to create the image for me using AI. So it is going to create 2 or 3 versions of that image for me, and I can just choose the one that I really like, and then I can go on and use that anywhere that I want. Like for example, text description for this image right here is an astronaut, teddy bears, a bowl of soup. Like you can just go on and see any kind, like for example the text description for this picture right here is an astronaut riding a horse in a photorealistic style. So this is the video that it has created, and it basically compares to every thing that we can imagine in our mind when this description comes to our mind and AI has generated this image. Like if I move along and if I see another, like you can see that there are a lot of there are a couple of variations of this picture as well, and you can use any one of them that you like, and you can just go on and create a couple of pictures using Dolly, and then you are going to generate a music video out of them. How you're going to do that is basically when you so what you can do is basically go on to Google and search for AI Zoom video generator. It is going to give you other platforms that are going to create the video for you, the AI video for you, and you can just go on and ask Dolly to create images, and then you can add these images into these platforms, and they're going to create the same zoom in video that we have seen earlier, that the person is selling, and you can create something like that for yourself, and you can basically go on and sell it online on Fiverr. So the other thing that you can do is this is the one way that you can make money with AI generated music videos. The second is basically when you go onto YouTube, and I want you to search lo-fi. When you search this, okay, so here you can see that when you search lo-fi, you're going to get a couple of results, and these are basically some pictures, some images, some videos, music videos that have a same scenery going on with a little bit of editing. Let me open this lo-fi girl for you, and let me show you that what this person has created. Like this is a channel of a person, and you can see that all of the things that she has created is based upon some kind of cinematic AI generated image, and the whole music basically goes on with this. And there's a little bit of editing, like for example in this video, this is a still video, and only the rain falling down is the only effect in this video. So you can just create an image, you can generate an image with AI, and then you can add an effect like that with a little bit of editing tools, and you're good to go. You can get yourself a music video, and then you can add music to it. How you can add music to it, it is also AI generated. Just what you want to do is basically go onto Google and search for ava.io or ava.ai. Just open that, and it is going to create the whole track of music for you. It is a really great platform, and you can just ask it to create any kind of track. You can ask it to you can basically give it the dimension, like you want to create a pop or jazz or lo-fi or something like that. So then you open Ava, just go on and log in, and then you can create any music that you want, and also ask Ava to generate a music of like lo-fi kind of music for you, and it is going to create it. And then you can basically go on and take the picture from the DALL-E, add it a little bit of add in some editing using you can use Midjourney for that as well. Add a little bit of editing using Midjourney, and after that you can create a whole video for yourself. You can create a YouTube channel, you can upload your videos there. There are a lot of people that who are watching these kind of content these days because they're very relaxing, they're very soothing. So obviously you're going to get some views. After you get some views, you're going to get money from YouTube monetization as well. So there are also a couple of more options that you can sell your music videos generated by AI. You can sell them off, as I told you, you can sell them on Fiverr. You can make a YouTube channel. You can also sell different kind of services to different kind of people. Like if there's a music producer or music someone that and you think that they want a video for their music videos, you can offer them your services. Like you're going to generate a music video for them, you can generate some really creative stuff out of that. So it works really good, and it is also very normal these days, and a lot of people are looking to have new ways to make their stuff more more attractive and more engaging. So you can just go on and sell your services, and you're going to make some money out of it. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.